Good morning, everyone. My name is Ralph Rosales, and with me is Hans Atilia, Frances Moncal, Maureen Ong, and Francine Tabifranca, and we are Group 4A. And this is our research on sleep deficiency among nursing students. Sleep deficiency is a common problem seen among college students. This can lead to many issues, including the effects of cognitive performance, health, and overall function, according to Heather Owens. Cognitive performance is highly influenced by sleep quality and multiple factors such as stress, but contradicting this idea, many college students suffer from sleep deficiency. The researchers chose this study in order to determine the factors causing sleep deficiency among college students. The study will enhance the in-depth understanding of possible reasons that may affect the academic performance of students. Objectives. The study is aimed to determine the occurrence of sleep deficiency among enrolled College of Nursing students in University of St. LaSalle, to determine if there is any significance between sleep deficiency between age, sex, and year level, and to identify if there are any factors that cause sleep deficiency, such as cognitive, behavioral, environmental, school-related, social, and medical factors. Significance of the study. The findings of this study may benefit the following: College of Nursing officers for creation of future programs that will assist students in poor academic performance as a result of sleep deficiency, faculty, clinical instructors, that they will learn to understand that some students may be suffering from sleep deficiency that led to poor academic performance, and that they will develop ways on how to help students improve their sleep deficiency. Students, that they will learn to make strategies that will help them increase the number of hours in sleep per day to help them perform well in their activities. And lastly, future researchers. This will serve as related literature for future studies related to sleep deficiency. And for the theoretical framework is Maslow's hierarchy of needs was used for this research. His theory of hierarchy of human needs to attain self-actualization emphasizes that the most essential need of a person is physiological needs, sleep being one of them.
Theoretical Conceptual Framework. Conceptual Framework. From Maslow of Hierarchy of Needs by Abraham Maslow going to self-actualization. First box at the left side is College of Nursing students, group according to age, sex, and year level. Going to factors causing sleep deficiency among nursing students according to variables age, sex, year level, and sleep duration. Lastly is the sleep deficiency among college students. Hypothesis statement: there is no significant difference in sleep deficiency among nursing students when they are grouped according to age, sex, and year level. Methodology: research design. Our research design is quantitative descriptive. Descriptive research is a quantitative research method that attempts to collect quantifiable information for statistical analysis of the population sample. Study participants. Sample size 209 out of 454 enrolled students based on Rausoff. Target is nursing students. Sample participant through stratified random sampling. Methodology: statistical treatment. The response and data that was collected during the quantitative research is collected through Google Form to the researchers. Objective number 1 and 2. Frequency distribution and percentage. The results collected will be listed to display the frequency of each questions. The percentage will be calculated by taking the frequency in category divided by the total number of participants and multiplying by 100%. Objective number 3, chi-square. Chi-square will be used to determine the significant difference. The researchers will then compile and analyze the data collected. The collected data will then be encoded and transferred to SPSS.
Methodology, the instrument we will be using is researchers-made questionnaires. For the validity, validated by 3 advisors with average score of 3.56. Reliability, Cronbach's Alpha score of 0.849. For the questionnaire, two-part questionnaire. First part is the demographic profile. Second part is factors that have caused sleep deficiency based off frequency with 1 never and 5 always. Ethical consideration will be observed throughout the study. An informed consent will be required. The names of the students participating will be withheld for confidentiality reason. Minors will be exempted from the study without a guardian's permission. Data collected will be kept in a safe location for 2 years and will be accessible only to the group researchers. For the results and discussion, factors causing sleep deficiency among nursing student and age. The highest is 18 to 20 years old with the frequency of 110, which is 52.6%, and the lowest is the 27 above 27 and above with a frequency of 4 and which is 1.9%. Factors causing sleep deficiency among nursing student and sex. The highest is female with a frequency of 150, which is 71.8%, and the lowest is male with a frequency of 59, which is 28.2%. Factors causing sleep deficiency among nursing student and year level. The highest is second year with a frequency of 127, which is 60.8%, and the lowest is third year with a frequency of 82, which is 39.2%.
Table 4, factors causing sleep deficiency among nursing student and sleep duration. So our highest was 4 to 6 hours with a frequency of
145.
with a percent of 71.8, and our lowest would be 9 plus hours with a frequency of 5 and a percentage of 2.4. These are our bar graphs relating our cognitive and behavioral factors, environmental, school-related, social, and medical. So table 3, the result indicates that age is not an indicator in developing sleep deficiency in terms of environmental, social, and medical factors. However, there's a weak significant relationship between age and cognitive and behavioral factors, and age and school-related. Table 3.1, the results show that sex is not an indicator in developing sleep deficiency in terms of environmental, school-related, and social factors. However, there is a weak significant relationship between sex and cognitive and behavioral factors and sex and medical factors. Table 3.2, the results show no significant relationship between year level and cognitive and behavioral factors and school-related and social factors and medical factors. However, there is a weak significant relationship between sex and cognitive and behavioral factors and sex and medical factors. Table 3.2, the results indicate that sleep duration is not an indicator in developing sleep deficiency in terms of cognitive and behavioral, environmental, school-related, social, and medical factors.
So for the conclusion, the majority of the nursing students that participated in the study are 18 to 20 years old. For the gender, most are female, and for the year level, most are level 2. And for their sleep, most of the participants slept for 4 to 6 hours a day. The data shows that there is no definitive indication of what causes their inadequate amount of sleep, as it is a common occurrence among them. For the recommendation, first, identify time wasters. Identify activities that draws our focus away from the tasks we are supposed to be doing. Second, plan ahead by creating a to-do list, identifying the tasks needed to be completed and prioritize them according to due date and the time needed to be completed. Third, tackle small tasks to start. Start with the shortest and simplest tasks, as these can accumulate bigger accomplishments. Four, only do one thing at a time. Performing multiple tasks simultaneously only leads to less productivity. Fifth, establish routines. Routines will turn into habits which help the day's flow easier and hassle-free. Lastly, take time off. You work into short intervals and take short breaks. And for the utilization, the results of the study will be submitted to provide awareness to the institution, teachers, and students about sleep deficiency among nursing students, and handed over the College of Nursing at USLS in order for them to address sleep deficiency in nursing students, and so students may be able to manage their time more efficiently. And this is our references. And for the acknowledgements, we would like to express our gratitude to the following for assisting throughout the completion of this research. First, to the College of Nursing students for participating in our research. And to our research clinical instructors, Doc Shaila Trajera, Doc Leslie Young, and Sir OJB Jimenez for guidance and support throughout the research process. And to our friends and family for understanding and support, and to the panel members. Lastly, we would like to praise God for strength, blessings, and protection throughout this school year. Thank you.